Welcome back, my dear future stars. I hope that you all are now perfect in multiplication tables. If not, please watch our previous playlist on multiplication tables and learn it perfectly. Link is in the description. Now that you all know how to add numbers, we can do multiplication sums, because always keep in mind that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition, and during the process of doing multiplication we need to add numbers also. So be perfect in addition sums also. Okay, let's start doing multiplication sums. We are going to multiply 35 and 9. So whenever we are multiplying or adding or subtracting any numbers, first thing which we have to remember is to write the place values over it. Okay students, then after writing the place values, I'll check how many numbers, that is how many digits are there which I have to multiply. So in this case, how many digits are there? One digit is there. Okay student, so this one digit, since there is one digit, what I'll do, I'll leave one line here first. Okay, why I am leaving this line? For carry. Okay students, since there is one digit, I am leaving one line first before copying the question. I am leaving one line above, then I'll write the place values over here, then I'll copy the questions. That is the first number here, then the second number here, and then I'll multiply. Okay students, see now. I'm leaving this line for carry. Now I'll write the place values here. Ones, tens, one extra I'll write hundreds place also, because I can get hundreds place number also when we multiply these two things. Okay, now I'll copy the question. First number is 35. So in ones place we have 5. In tens place I have 3. Now second number is 9. So in ones place I wrote 9. Now we will multiply these two numbers. Okay students. Now what we will get? We'll get the answers over here. So for doing this, first I'll show you a trick. What we are going to multiply 35. So I'll write ones place number first, then tens place number here. Okay. Then with what I'm going to multiply? I'm going to multiply with 9. So I'll write 9 over here. Then I'll write the answers for that. 5 nines are 45. 3 nines are 27. So I got both the answers. Now what I'll do? I have to write only ones place number in the answer. Okay. So this ones place number 5 is written under ones place here. What about this 4? This 4 will go as a carry on 3. Okay students, so this 4 is carry. So whatever answer we get here, what I have to do, I have to add this 4 to this and write as answer. 27 plus 4, 28, 29, 30, 31. So these two numbers I'll write over here. 1, then 3. Is it clear students? Second example which we are going to take is 72 into 36. First thing what we have to do before starting the sum, we have to write the place values. Ones, tens. Then check how many digits are there to be multiplied. How many digits are there? 1, 2. So keep this in mind. 2 digits are there. So we can get 2 times carries. Okay, when we multiply. So I am leaving for second carry one line and for first carry one line. Then I'll write the place value. Then I'll copy down the first number, then the second number. And when we multiply with first number, we'll get one answer. When we multiply with second number, we get one answer. Then when we add these two, we get a carry. So I'll leave one line, then we'll get a final answer. Okay, students? Now I'm going to copy the question. Before copying, what I have to write? The place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now I'll copy down the question. In ones place I have 2. Then in tens place I have 7. Now for second number, in ones place I have 6. And in tens place I have 3. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. So now what I have to do, easy way to do this is using my trick. See, what we are multiplying? 72. So I'll write this how many times? 2 times in rough column, because how many digits are there to be multiplied? 2. So I'll write this 72 2 times. That is, first I'll write the ones place number, then the second place, tens place number. Again I'll write 2 and 7. Now what I have to do? First I have to multiply with what? 6. So first I'll multiply with 6. 2 6 are 12. 7 6 are 42. Now what is the second number to be multiplied? It is 3. So in the second phase I am multiplying with 3. 2 3s are 6. 7 3s are 21. Now I have to write down the answers over here. So how we will write? Only one digit we can write in one place. So this 2 will come under where? In ones place here. What about this one? It will go as a carry to on 7. That is on 7. It is going as a carry. Okay, students. So in carry's place I wrote 1 here. Now what happens? When whatever answer we are getting, what we have to remember? We have to add this 1 over here. And then we will write the answer. 42 plus 1. 43. This one is here. So I got 43. Now I can write this 2 numbers over here. If I would have a number here, then this 4 would go as a carry on hundreds place. Okay. Now there is no number, so I wrote 43 here. Now second answers. Second answers are what? 6. Shall I write here 6? No. Why we should not write 6 here? Because here we have multiplied the ones place number. Oh, 6 with 6 the multiplication is over. So this 6 we will strike off. Okay. So when we have multiplied this, we got the answers over here when we, with 6. Now what we have to remember? We have to leave this ones place. Okay, so I'll place a wrong mark here. That is, ones place multiplication is over. Now the second number when we multiply, the answers will be returned from tens place. Okay, remember this to strike it out. Okay, now this is over. This carries addition is over. So I am striking so that you will not be confused. Now I'll write the second answers. So 2 3s are 6. So here we'll write 6. Now 7 3s are 21. So 1 here, 2 here. Now we'll write the answers by adding these two things. 2 plus nothing is 2. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. And this 2. So this is our final answer. Is it clear, students? Third example which we are going to take is 378 into 345. So first thing what we have to do, we have to write the place values. So I wrote the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Then how many digits are there? 3. So this 3, since there are 3 digits, I wrote the first numbers here 3 times like this. That is ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. 3 times I wrote. Okay, students. Then since there are 3 digits, I left 3 lines for the carries. Then I wrote place values. Then copied the 2 questions, 2 numbers. Then I'll get one answer here. So I'll copy that answers here. Then the second answers in the second line. Then the third answers in the third line. Then we'll add all the 3 and then write the final answer. So while adding, we can get a carry also. So for carry, I left some space over here. Okay, students, the full forms of this all are written here. Okay, now we will start doing the sum. So the question is, how many are there? We have to multiply with 5, then with 4, then with 2. So first I will multiply with 5 in the first box. Okay, students, then I will write the answers. 8 5s are 40. If you don't remember 8 table, then you can see like this. 5 8s are 40. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 50. Now first number over. Now what is the second number? That is in tens place. It is 4. So I'll write multiply with 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 7s are 28. 4 3s are 12. Now the next number. Next number is 2. So I'll multiply with 2 here. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6. Now we have to write the answers here. First answers are here. So while writing, only one place number will be written in the answers place. The next number which is left, it goes as a carry to its beside number. Okay, here 4 is there. First 0 in ones place. Then this 4, it goes as a carry on 7. That is on 7. So when we are multiplying with first number, I got 4 carry. So in first carry, I wrote in first line. Okay. Now this 4 I will add over here and write the answer. 35 plus 4, 36, 37, 38, 39. So in this 9 is in ones place. We'll write 9 here and the 3 will go as a carry to hundreds place. So this 3 will add over here. 15 plus 3 is 18. So no numbers here below. We'll copy the number 18 as it is here. Okay. Now first multiplication is over. That is with 5 we have multiplied. So these carries are also added. I'll strike out these 3 things. Now when we multiply with 4, the answers which we get, we should not write from here. Remember this. Okay, since ones place multiplication is over, we'll strike this ones place number. Okay, and then write the answers from tens place when we are multiplying the second number. Okay, so in ones place what we get here, 4 8s are 32. So we'll write 2 here. Then 3 will go as a carry on 7. Here 7. That is, we'll add over here. 28 plus 3. What is 28 plus 3? 29, 30, 31. So we'll write this 1 in the answer and this 3 will come as a carry to its beside number. That is here, hundreds place. Now we'll add this 12 plus 3, 15. I'll write 15 here. Now second number multiplication is also over. So I'll strike this 4 and this carries also. Because we should not be confused. So what we are striking out this. Now what we are multiplying? We are multiplying the hundreds place number. So now ones place we will strike off and the tens place also we will strike. Now write the answers from hundreds place since we are multiplying the hundreds place number. So the answers are here. 2 8s are 16. So first number we will write here and 1 will go as a carry to its tens place. That is, we will write here. Since 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is 15. So this ones place number will be written here and again this one will go as a carry to its beside number. That is on hundreds place. So what we get? 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So we'll write 7 here. Now what we have to do? We have to add all these 3 things. So 0 plus nothing is 0. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11, I am getting 11. So this, in this 11, only one's place number will be written and the next number will be gone as a carry to its beside number. Okay, now we will add all these four numbers. 8, 9, 10 plus 6 is 16. So again we will write this 6 here and this one will go as a carry to its beside number. Now 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12. So 2 will be written here. 1 will go as a carry to its beside number. 7, 8, 9. Okay, students. The fourth example which we are going to take is 2691 multiplied with 378. So first thing what we have to do, we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds. So how many digits are there? 3. So I left 3 lines for 3 carries. And since there are 3 digits to be multiplied, I wrote 3 boxes which contains how many digits? The numbers 4 are there here. This 2691 should be multiplied. So I wrote place values over here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, like this 3 times. Now I will copy this number here 3 times. Okay. So 1, 9, 6, 2. 1, 9, 6, 2. 1, 9, 6, 2. Now first number should be written here also. So I'll copy the question. 1, 9, 6, 2. We have to multiply with 378. So in one's place I have 8, then 7, then 3. Now we will multiply these two numbers. So first number, what is there? In one's place it is 8. So these all 4 numbers will multiply with 8. 1 8s are 8. 9 8s are 72. 6 8s are 48. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Now you should not get confused. So I wrote only first answers. Okay. These first answers we'll write first in the first line. Then we'll go for second and third boxes. Okay, students. Now what answer I got? 8 ones are 8. So only one digit. So I can write 8 over here. This is over. Now 8 nines are. What is 8 nines are? 72. So only 2 we will write here. And this 7, it goes as a carry on 6. That is on hundreds place. So 7 will be written here. Okay. Now what I got? 72. So 7 and 2. Now what happens? This 7 we should add in hundreds place. Answer 48 plus 7. That is 55. Okay. So only one's place number is written here. And this 5 goes as a carry on thousands place. That is I have to add here. 16 plus 5 is 21. So I will write 21. Okay. Now with 8 our multiplication is over. So I will strike this 8. I add this 5 and 7 also. So I am striking this so that you will not be confused. Now we have to multiply with 7. That is one's place multiplication is over. So in one's place I will strike off this number. And then I will write the answers from here. So with what I have to multiply? With 7. So this box I will multiply with 7. 1 7s are 7. 7 9s are 63. 6 7s are 42. 2 7s are 40. So I'll write down the answers here. Okay. So first number is 7. So I'll write 7 here. So next number is 63. Only one's place number will be written here. And this 6, it will go as a carry to hundreds place. So above 100 place, I'll write carry 6. That is to the answer of this 6 7s are 42 plus 6. 42 plus 6 is 48. So I'll write 8 here. Then this 4 will go as a carry to its thousands place. So that 4 I'll add here. 14 plus 4 is 18. We'll write 18 here. 8. Since there are no numbers to be multiplied, we will write 1 also here. Now what I have to do? I have to multiply with 3. So in the third box, I will multiply all the numbers with 3. 1 3s are 3. 9 3s are 27. 6 3s are 18. 2 3s are 6. So I have to write here the third box answers in third line. Okay, so ones place number is over, so we'll strike off this. Then tens place number is also over, we'll strike this. 7 is over, these carries are over. Now we have to multiply with 3. I got the answers here. So first number is 3. So I'll write 3 here. Then 3 nines. 3 nines are 27. So only ones place number will be copied here. And 2 will go as a carry to its hundreds place. That is below this number. 18 plus 2. 20. So this first number will be written here. And 2 will go as a carry to thousands place number. That is below it. 6 plus 2. It is 8. So we'll write 8 here. Now I left space here. Why? We have to add these 3 numbers. So if we get a carry, we cannot write anywhere. So I left some space here. Then we'll write the answers here. We have to add all these things. Now we have to add all these 3 numbers. So 8 plus nothing. That means 8. So in ones place I got 8. Now 2 plus 7. 9. So I wrote 9. Now 5 plus 3. 5. 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11. So I got 11. So 11 means I'll write only the ones place number in the answer. And this second one, that is in tens place, it goes as a carry to its beside number. Okay students, now we'll add all these 4 numbers. 8, 9, 10 plus 7, 17. So first number 7 will be written here. Then the second number, which is in tens place, it goes as a carry to its beside number. Okay, so I wrote 1 here. Now we'll add all these including this carry. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 here and 1 carry to its beside number. Now again we'll add all this. 8, 9, 10. 0. Here there are no numbers, so I'll write 1 in 10 lakhs place. So is it clear students? All of you understood? Now I want to sum up this sum. First, what is there? See here, we are multiplying these 2 numbers. First number, there are 4 numbers. So I wrote the first number here. Okay, how many times I wrote? 3 times, because there are 3 digits in the second number to be multiplied. So I made 3 boxes. Then I copied the first number from ones place to thousands place 3 times. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply with 378. That is, we have 8 in ones place. So in first box we are multiplying with 8 and noting the answers in the first line here. Okay, then the second number is 7. That is, in tens place we have 7. So I multiplied with 7, and whatever answers we got after adding all the carries and all, I wrote that answers here in the second line. Then the third number is 3. So I multiplied with 3, and whatever answers I got here in ones place, I wrote here. And then what we have to do? We have to add all the 3 things and write the final answer. One thing we have to remember here is, in the first answers we wrote from ones place. So after multiplying this ones place number, we'll strike this, and then in the second line, which we have to multiply tens place number, we'll strike this on and write the answers from tens place. Then for hundreds place number, we'll strike 2 places, ones and tens, and start writing the answers from hundreds place. If we have 4-digit number, then we'll strike ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and then we'll write from thousands place. Now is it clear, students? Now I would like to do a sum in which we have zeros also. Okay, and without using the rough column. First thing what we have to remember, we have to write the place values. Since I have 3 digits to be multiplied, I'll leave some space for what carries, and then I'll write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now we have to note down the question. From ones place, 5, 0, 6, 3. Then 2, 0, 7. Now we have to multiply first with 2 and write the answers here. 2 5s are 10. What is the answer? 10. So only ones place number will be written here. And the second number, which is in tens place, it will go as a carry to its beside number. So 2 5s are 10. So I wrote 0 here. So 1 will go as a carry on tens place. Now 2 zeros are what, students? 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Okay. 2 zeros are 0. So in this 0, what I have to do? I have to add this 1. Carry 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. We'll get 1 here. Now 2 6. 2 6 are what? 12. So only ones place number will be written in the answer, and this 1 will go as a carry to its beside number. We multiplied with 6, so it will go on thousands place. Now 2 3s are 6, and this 1 carry. 6 plus 1 carry. It is 7. Okay, students, is it clear till here? Now the multiplication for ones place is over. Okay, now this is completed. So what we have to do while writing the second answers, we have to strike out the ones place number here. Okay, then we should write the answers from tens place. Now 0 5s are what? Do you know? When we multiply any number with 0, we get 0 only. Okay, 0 5s are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 6 are 0. 0 3s are 0. Okay, now with 0, my multiplication is over. So now what I have to do? I have to multiply with 7. So where is 7? It is in hundreds place. So the answers which we get, we should write from which place? Hundreds place. So this ones place will strike out, and the tens place also will strike out. And now we will multiply with 7 and write the answers from hundreds place here. So 7 5s. 7 5s are what, student? If you don't know 7 5s are, then see 5 7s are. What it will be? 35. So only ones place number will be written here, and 3 will go as a carry to the number which is beside 5. So beside 5, what is there? 0. That is on tens place. It will go as a carry here. Okay. Now 7 zeros are 0. And in this 0, what I have to remember? I have to add this 3. Okay. 0 plus 3 is 3. So I'll write here. Now 7 6 are. What is 7 6 are? 42. So I'll write this 2 in the answer, and this 4, it will go as a carry on what? Thousands place. Now 7 3s are what, students? 7 3s are 21 plus 4. We got 21. In this we'll add 4. So it will be 25. I don't have any numbers here, so the whole number we can copy here. 5 2. Then what we have to do? We have to add all these things and write the answer. I left some space here for carry. 0 plus nothing is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Whenever we get a 2-digit number, only the ones place number will be written, and the tens place number, it will go as a carry to its beside number. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 2. Okay students, is it clear now?